Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing my favorite video light, which is the Godox Sl60w. This light is excellent for all kinds of video production because it has Bowen mounts which allows you to modify it, and it's super bright. So if you are a content creator looking for a relatively cheap light, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get creative. Godox Sl60w is an LED daylight AC powered with Bowen mount which allows you to modify the light for various video production, from interviews to weddings to product videography, to mention just a few. This light comes with a remote control which allows you to remotely control the brightness and the color temperature of the light. But personally, I don't see any color change when I change the color temperature of the light from say 5600 to 3300 or 3200. But why do I love this light? Godox SL60 is relatively affordable and it's bright and still delivers value. It does not generate heat even when you use it for a long period of time. I can remember the last production I used it for was a wedding which actually spanned for like 6 to 9 hours, and the light did not get hot at any point in time. Another thing is that the light is modifiable, so you can actually mount any kind of umbrella, soft box, to mention just few, as long as it has a Bowen mount. So you can actually mount it, which is really good. It helps modification and it helps you to recreate the light to fit or to suit your production style. And it has a high CRI, which is really good. The color that it brings out is really accurate to a very large extent. And also it has a remote control which makes it handy, especially for a one-man production, in cases where you just need the light to be controlled from distance and you don't want to miss action. That is really important. Regardless of all of this good side of the light, there are a few things I think can be improved on or would actually make life better for me if they are available or if they are considered in this light. It is AC powered, meaning that you can power it without electricity, and that is also a drawback for me, because sometimes you just want a production setup that allows you to use, everything with battery or power it with power bank, to mention just few. So, and lastly, the remote control does not switch off the lights completely. Also, the brightness of the lights is also not turned down to 10% when using the remote control. So we should actually have this light if you're a filmmaker and you're looking for a way to make your light or to make your production look very good, then you should get this light because it's very bright. And if you have a bigger umbrella, it can actually act as a tool light, because you can use one umbrella to modify it to create a key light and still reflect to the other side of the subject's face and still fill it to some extent, which is really a good thing. So the thing is that whatever you do, you just need to know that this light would actually serve you. I've used it for wedding and it never failed. It acts as a key light, it acts as a backlight. It has done a lot and I love it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. Until I come your way next week, stay safe, be good, be creative, go out and do something and get better. Bye for now.